Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with, I'm going to say this is number 22 of the ICAD prompts. So these prompts are in this jar. These are the ones we haven't used, and then as I use them, I put them into this jar. Well, today's prompt is transportation, and so I have to do anything related to transportation. So on my ICAD index card today, for 30 days, I am going to do something around transportation. So real quick and simple, I'm going to make a card using these Tim Holtz distress dies, and this is not distress but vintage Cityscape Commute 22-piece set. So this is going to be part of my transportation, and I'm using this Traveler 2 piece of graphic 45 paper. I'm going to adhere this to my okay, great. So I will be right back after I change my tape. Alright, so I just had to change my little tape, and I am going to put together just some of these little images and call it a little day. Nothing too complicated. I am going to glue these down and then ink around them. I've already inked everything with vintage photo, but I'm going to glue them down and then put some little shading around them. And I will come right back and show you that, and then we will add us a sentiment, and then we will be all done. Okay, so I am back, and I have just inked around everything, and now I'm going to add down a sentiment, and let's see. I'm just going to grab something off my Tim Holtz word list because it is handy, and I'm just going to put a little vintage photo around the edges of it just to tone down some of the whiteness of it. So the blend, since there's really no white in here, is more like off-white. So this says, let's go somewhere. And then I'm also going to add this other sentiment, which says the journey is the destination. I'm just inking the edges. And then I'm going to just, putting a little bit of vintage photo on top. So I didn't want it to be stark white. Yes, I'm always outlining everything, I know. Ridiculous, isn't it? Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so I think I want to go around the edge a little darker. With this brown pit pen, and then this one, whoopsie, I knew I was going to do that. Then I will be done. So if you want to play along, or if you want to get a list of the prompts, just email me. My email is below. I would love to see what you make. Definitely let me know, so I can come check it out. And you can also hashtag 757 ICAD challenge. And so it says, let's go somewhere, the journey is the destination. And that is my transportation card. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care, God bless.